Hi everyone and welcome back to today's more important analysis videos on Thursday 10th of November with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Still looking at the fallout from this Trump victory, and cable is the interesting chart I think of all the majors because it didn't really react at all yesterday. I mean, there was a very minor sort of move to the upside and then retracement, but it was interesting the fact that there wasn't a profound sort of change in the outlook through the day. Basically almost a zero-sum game. I mean, the cable ultimately just closed up a few ticks on the day, about 20 or 30 ticks. And to be honest, the outlook hasn't changed. Yes, you had a swing of around about 200 ticks, but to be honest, it's sort of held support and then just marginally pushing higher. Now, holding on, I've sort of zoomed out on this hourly chart here to show you this breakout above 23.30 that we're still holding on to. 23.50 was the reaction low yesterday. That's the support that remains intact. Now we are still a little bit choppy, as you can see the sort of moves yesterday and continuing today, a bit sort of zigzaggy, a bit choppy. Still nothing really in terms of decisive direction, and we're sort of holding a neutral configuration on all the momentum indicators on the hourly, RSI, MACD, stochastics, and it's generally with also the moving averages all sort of converging. It's sort of basically neutral now near term. You're sort of looking for a breakout above the 25.57 level, which would sort of regenerate the bulls to the upside, or below 23.50, which would, I suppose, arguably complete a double top pattern, which you then sort of measure 200 pips of downside from 23.50, which is 21.50, sort of back towards these lows here. But nothing too significant yet in terms of direction, so it'll be very interesting to see if cable can sort of continue to hold up above that 23.30 breakout neckline support, because ultimately these daily indicators are actually still on the recovery trail. But for now, I think it's a pretty neutral outlook that we've got to take, because obviously the dollar strength is generally pulling through all these charts, and not quite yet coming through on the on sterling, but or on cable I should say, but it's it still has the potential to. So one to watch, I think. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.